Morning, everybody. There comes the sun. There it is. That's what we came for. The sunrise. Woohoo! Wow. Gorgeous little sun. Yeah, if you watch this, you're going to see it come up, because I'm going to turn this on for a couple minutes. Yeah, you'll watch the sun get bigger and come all the way up out of the water. Wow. Boy, it is bright. Man, I think there's little sand gnats or something. Boy, it sure is getting me all over the place. Are you getting them now? Yeah, they're all over the place. That's why ain't nobody here. Freaking sand gnats. Wow, yeah, that's crazy. What is it, some kind of sand gnats or something? Oh, if anybody knows what they are, let me know. It's like a no-see-em. Yeah, oh my gosh. Yeah, they're all over the place. Wow, that sun came up. Yeah, look at it. Right there. Right there, it's shining off of the sand. Yeah, when the water goes back, watch. It's right here. Look at that. Yeah, that's the sun reflecting. That looks pretty cool. Alrighty. Yeah, that baby's going right on up there. Good morning, America. How are you? It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. I love it. Yeah, here with the wife. Hello, hello. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Oh yeah, I see him now flying around. Yeah, it ain't a no-see-em because you can see them. Man, they freaking get right on you like a damn skeeter bug.
No, we're not gonna see.
No, we ain't gonna stay here too long. Damn. Yeah, we'll have to do some investigating. Anybody knows what these things are, let us know. Wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's beautiful. Hey, y'all, please share this. This is before the hurricane that might be here. Oh, here goes a bird coming through. Yeah, looking for breakfast. There he goes, looking for breakfast. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, now the sun already went back here and hid. All right, we'll see you. Be sure and subscribe.